Good morning, children. This is continuation of the application of fermentation in industries. Okay, in the application of fermentation in industries, the microbial biomass production. So first one is microbial biomass production means the microbes are, you know that what are the microbes? Okay, so microbes is nothing but algae, fungi, bacteria, and these things are, and protozoa is there. Okay, so mainly these three things is called the algae, fungi, bacteria. So these things are taken in the bulk amount. They'll be making dried these three microbial cells, and it is dried and it is make it as a powder. So it is called the powder or the dried powder of these organisms is called single cell protein. This single cell protein very important for the feed and food of the animal. Feed for animal and food for the humans. So if the peoples which is they are going to the astronauts, they will be giving this single cell protein for their energy purpose. Okay. So in the astronauts mainly they will give, in the athletes also they will give, and it is also given for the animal as feed. Okay. So this is about the microbial biomass production, which is prepared by the all algae or the fungi bacterial cells gets dried. It is making dried, and the drying this dried cells or making it as a powder called a single cell protein given for the animal and man. Okay, microbial metabolites. If you are taking the some, there is a two type is there in the metabolites. Primary metabolites and secondary metabolites is there. Primary metabolites is nothing but this are the sum of the product during the metabolism process. The sum of the product which is produced in the bacteria. So these products are called primary metabolites. These primary metabolites products are very important for the maintenance of the life of the microorganisms. Example of this primary product are ethanol or the acetic acid and lactic acid, citric acid. Ethyl alcohol or the ethanol, citric acid, acetic acid and lactic acid are the primary products. Next, microbial metabolites, secondary metabolites. These secondary metabolites which is also produced in the microbial cells during the metabolism process, but these secondary metabolites is does not need for their life process, vital process. Okay, so this secondary metabolites is very useful, vital for the human beings. Okay, so how it is used, that is the secondary metabolites are nothing but secondary metabolites which is nothing but which is produced which is nothing but medicines we are getting from this. Okay, so example, if you are taking the example, that is a bacteria there, its name is Streptomyces nodosus. Streptomyces nodosus. Okay, this from this organism, it's a bacteria. From this we will be getting the important antibiotic, important medicine called amphotericin B. This medicine will be taking for the fungal infection in our body. Any skin problems or the hair or the nail problem, we will be taking this antibiotic or the medicine called amphotericin B. And one more organism is there, that is name is amphotericin B, and one more name is there, that name is Streptomyces. That is name is Streptomyces greases. Okay, Streptomyces greases. This is this Streptomyces greases is mainly used for the production of the tetracycline antibiotic. Tetracycline is mainly given for like a typhoid kind of infection or the fever will be taking this kind of tetracycline. And also it is used for the production of the penicillin. You know that penicillin injection it is frequently given for the patient. That penicillin is taken from the Penicillium chrysogenum fungi. Okay, so from that microorganism will be getting the penicillium drug, and also will be getting a tetracycline through the Streptomyces greases, and Streptomyces nodosus will be getting amphotericin B. And one more medicine that's name is that is called the medicine which will be getting from the Streptomyces nodosus and as well as Streptomyces greases and Streptomyces aureofaciens. Streptomyces aureofaciens will be getting. Streptomycin aureofaciens will be getting. Okay, Streptomycin aureofaciens will give you aureofaciens அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு species. இது genus species. From this genus species will be getting a tetracycline medicine, and Streptomycins, that is Streptomycins greases will be getting a streptomycin. Okay, so these are all the important medicine we will be taking very frequently for the given for the patients. Okay, this was microbial metabolites application of fermentation in industries. And microbial enzyme, when the microbes which is growing in the medium, which is secrete some enzymes, that enzymes called amylose, protease, lipase, isomerase. These enzymes are mainly used in the food industries and the beverage industries or the breweries and the all other industries like pharmaceutical industries. They will be using in food product industries also using. For what purpose they will be using microbial enzyme? It is used as a detergent, or it is used as to give the flavor, and also it is used for the detergent. Mainly it is added, it is given for the detergent purposes. Also it is used for the food processing, for the food processing as well as the detergents they will be using in the industries like beverage companies and in the pharmaceutical company and food companies. Okay, next bioconversion or the biotransformation means that is this bacteria is converting the alcohol into acetic acid. Acetic acid is nothing but vinegar will be used right in our home. That is called, vinegar is called acetic acid. That acetic acid will be getting from the ethanol only. So this ethanol also will be taking from the glucose by the microbes, that is from the bacteria or the yeast. Okay, so alcohol is converted into a acetic acid or the vinegar, and isopropanol is converted into acetone, and the sorbitol is used as an sorbose. That is, this sorbose is mainly used for the production of vitamin C, and steroids is given for the steroids. Steroids is generally given for the patient with the kidney patients, like kidney transplant patients, and very severely affected patients are treated with this steroids. So these kind of steroids will very effective, and that steroids is given to taken from sterols. That sterol is getting the how we are getting a steroids from the sterol with the help of bioconversion or the biotransformation of the bacteria. Thank you.